Are you looking to take your CapCut videos to the next level with a cool zoom-in effect? In this short tutorial, I will teach you step by step how to create this awesome effect in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, let's open up the CapCut app. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to start a new project and then import a video that I want to edit. So once you've imported the video, tap on it to select it. And then drag the video to the part where you want the zoom animation to start. After that, tap on this little keyframe button over here. And that will add a keyframe to your video. So now what you want to do next is drag and go over the part of the video where you want the zoom in effect to end. And then pinch to zoom in on the video. And that will add a keyframe automatically to that part of the video. So now if you go to the start of that effect, you'll see a nice zoom animation on your video. One thing to keep in mind is that the closer the two keyframes are, the faster the zoom effect will be. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.